So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate fake tweet replies screenshots for mockups or for any other uses. Now, in order to do it, you don't need any software. Just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for tweetagent.com. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply go to this website and wait for it to respond. Now here you have to click on this option which says reply chain. Once you open it, you can see the fake reply chain have been generated. You can customize the sender's detail, the replier details, with the number of likes and everything you want in this image. Even you can customize the background color, like if you want the dark mode or change the font as well. You can do everything you want, and once you are satisfied with your changes, even the date of the tweets as well, mark it. Now once you are satisfied with your changes, just simply hit generate image, and your fake tweet screenshot or the reply screenshot will be saved. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.